Hello and welcome to this tutorial which will focus on the various methods of initiating eRedact. The product's quite versatile. It is included and accessible from all of the Microsoft Office suite of products along with many other software items via a toolbar button. Here in this standard Word document we can see the toolbar button here. Alternatively, the user, anyone who's doing a bulk series of redactions, can actually start the Redact console either from a hot link from the desktop in this instance, or actually by just selecting the Start and Start eRedact from the Start menu bar. Here we've got various options. We can change the actual redaction settings, so that will actually bring up the various redaction items, whether you want to use search terms, redaction templates, redaction colours, document settings, so the resolution, etc. So we'll come on to redact properties in a later tutorial. Alternatively, you can just select a file for redaction from in here and it will bring up the standard browser file explorer type thing. But in this particular instance, what we're going to do is we're going to close the console, and we're actually just going to show you how it's dovetailed into the Microsoft Office suite of products. So in this instance, we're in what appears to be a standard letter, and we can just click the eRedact button. eRedact will go off, and here it's asking me for a template. We'll say we don't want to use templates in this instance. And from this point, the letter has been imported into eRedact, and we can just do the standard redactions as per usual, as per the previous tutorials actually. So in this instance, let's just put a standard redaction box over the signature, and we'll actually add a stamp to say FOI compliant. If we were finished at this point, just click next as per the other tutorials. Again, save the footprint letter. It prefixes the file type with, you'll see here, Microsoft Word. So it's got the intelligence to work out which source application package was used to invoke eRedact. In this instance, we'll take that out. Click Save. Here, this is quite interesting because what this is saying is, because we've put a colour stamp into the redacted copy, it's asking whether we want to increase the number of colours in the image because it was originally a monochrome letter, or use the nearest available colours from the image. Now what this is doing is compression optimization, and again, eRedact is one of the only products to provide this straight out of the box. So we'll just say use nearest available colours. This will minimise the output file size. Audit copy, select an audit copy. We'll throw this on the desktop again, and we'll just remove that Microsoft Word extension and save the file away. That's it. That particular instance, that gateway into redaction, is complete. As you can see, the original Microsoft Word document remains untouched, and on the desktop we have statutory, redacted copy, audit copy files. So there's the redacted copy including the stamp, and the audit copy should come through the translucent redaction, but also with the stamp in full colour. An alternate method of invoking eRedact, if we go to standard letter again and we do file print, we can actually invoke eRedact using standard print queue technology. So we just select the rapid redact queue, click OK, and eRedact will do its stuff again. So again, we won't use a template, but actually same route as before. User gets presented with the file in eRedact where any particular redaction, stamps, exemption codes can be applied, but it just gives a nice convenient route. We'll cancel out of that, we don't want to save the file. The print queue just gives another nice supplementary entry pointing to the product in addition to the toolbar, and also in addition to the eRedact console. So here the control center where we can start files or we can scan directly into eRedact. Okay, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. That was just really to give a overview of how convenient and flexible eRedact is in terms of initiating it from within Microsoft Word, your standard desktop email products. Thank you.